Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer while the poor struggle to get by? Is it luck, inheritance, or something else entirely? Over 88% of millionaires are self-made, meaning they didn't inherit their wealth but built it from scratch. So what are they doing differently? What is the major difference between the rich and poor? In this video, we're diving deep into the habits, strategies, and decisions that make the rich, well, rich. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with actionable insights to transform your mindset and your financial future. So take down the notes, subscribe to the Wealthy channel, and let's get started. Difference number 1, rich mindset. Many middle-class individuals see money as something to spend on immediate needs or desires. They often avoid risks, leaving their savings in low-yield accounts. Rich people treat money as a tool to generate more wealth. They understand concepts like leverage, compound interest, and passive income. Imagine you have $1,000. A rich mindset would invest it in an S&P 500 index fund that historically averages a 10% return annually. Over 30 years, that $1,000 could grow to over $17,000. A poor mindset might spend it on a gadget or brands that depreciates within months. Ask yourself, am I using money to build my future or just to survive today? Start shifting your focus to investing and wealth building. Number 2, the rich solve problems for profit. The rich identify gaps in the market and create solutions, turning problems into profitable opportunities. The poor, on the other hand, often focus on the problem itself without taking action. Start observing everyday challenges. Is there a need or gap you can address? Even a small side hustle solving a specific problem can grow into something big. You train yourself to think like an entrepreneur, opening doors to financial independence. Number 3, the game of investment. Wealthy individuals actively seek out high-yield investments. They're not afraid of calculated risks. From real estate to stocks, they prioritize assets that grow over time. They understand the power of diversification, spreading investments across multiple sectors to minimize risks. On the other hand, many people with limited means keep their money in savings accounts, earning less than 1% annually. Fear of loss often prevents them from exploring investment opportunities. If someone investing $500 monthly in a retirement account yielding an 8% annual return, over 30 years, they'd have nearly $750,000. Contrast this with saving the same amount in a low-interest bank account, where it'd barely reach $200,000. Understand that not investing is riskier than investing. Number 4, the rich understand good debt versus bad debt. The rich leverage debt to acquire assets that grow in value. The poor often use debt to buy liabilities that depreciate over time. Let's say, one person borrows money to buy a car, and another person uses a loan to invest in a rental property. 5 years later, car has lost value, but property generates passive income monthly. Before taking on debt, ask, will this increase my net worth or just my expenses? Prioritize investments that generate returns, reduce financial stress, and faster wealth building. Number 5, perspective on opportunities. The rich are proactive. They look for opportunities, whether it's starting a business, learning new skills, or spotting market trends. They embrace calculated risks to seize these chances. A man notices a growing demand for healthy snacks and starts a side hustle selling them online. Within 2 years, it turns into $1 million business. This could be you if you're willing to take smart risks. The poor often let fear or skepticism hold them back. They focus on survival, missing out on opportunities for growth. Opportunities are everywhere. Stay curious, take calculated risks, and never let fear hold you back. Number 6, the rich master emotional intelligence. Many people fall into emotional traps. They let envy, fear, or impulsiveness guide their decisions. How often have you heard someone say, I invested in this because my friend did, only to regret it later? In The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Stephen Covey emphasizes, seek first to understand, then to be understood. The rich don't just manage money, they master emotions. Emotional intelligence is their superpower. Practice active listening, empathy, and self-awareness. These skills can improve both personal and professional relationships. Without it, you're a slave to your emotions, sabotaging your success at every turn. But with it, the possibilities are limitless because people don't just invest in ideas, they invest in emotionally intelligent leaders. Number 8. The rich see setbacks as lessons, not failures. As best-selling author Carol Dweck writes in Mindset, in the fixed mindset, setbacks label you. In the growth mindset, setbacks are an opportunity to learn. When Thomas Edison was asked about failing 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb, he replied, "I didn't fail. I found 1,000 ways that won't work." Most people, however, make a crucial mistake. They see setbacks as proof of inadequacy. They allow failures to define them, not realizing that this mindset breeds stagnation. Imagine someone starting a side hustle. The first time it doesn't generate income, they quit, labeling it a bad idea. The result? They stay stuck in their 9-to-5, dreaming of freedom but never attaining it. The rich don't do this. Each setback must be dissected. What went wrong? What can I improve? Use failure as fuel. You fall to the level of your systems. Build better systems. Test, learn, try again. The difference between mediocrity and greatness isn't talent, it's resilience. Failures are inevitable. Growth is optional. Choose to grow. Number 9. Networking and relationships. Wealthy individuals understand the power of connections. They build networks that offer guidance, partnerships, and opportunities. As the saying goes, your network is your net worth. On the other hand, poor individuals often overlook networking, focusing solely on personal struggles rather than leveraging relationships. A LinkedIn survey found that 85% of jobs are filled through networking. Attend events, join communities, or simply reach out to people in your field. Building a strong network can open doors to unimaginable opportunities. Nurture relationships that align with your goals. They'll accelerate your success. Number 10. Multiple income streams. The poor often rely on a single source of income, leaving them vulnerable to job loss or economic downturns. The wealthy diversify their income. Beyond their main job, they earn from investments, side businesses, royalties, or rental income. This ensures financial security even if one stream falters. A teacher who invests in real estate and sells online courses diversifies their income, securing a steady flow from multiple sources. Start with one additional income stream. It could be freelancing, investing, or starting a small business. Over time, these streams compound into wealth. The gap between the rich and the poor isn't just financial, it's behavioral and mental. Wealth isn't about luck or inheritance. It's about mindset, habits, and smart decisions. I'm passionate about transforming lives through knowledge. If this video added value to your day, share it with your closed ones and subscribe for more insights. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.